Chief Operating Officer of Agarwal Coal Corporation Private Limited. We are the second largest importers of coal in the country. My second business is Emerald Developers. We are a blooming real estate company of Indore. My businesses are from a non-manufacturing background. My coal business is a SAP S4HANA enabled organization, company, and we have added a top layer of a boutique built system with the help of LFC practice. We call it the Project Manthan, and my real estate business is also ERP enabled completely. So talking of the benefits of having a digital approach towards the business are immense. When you are undergoing this digital transformation journey, you are forced to rethink all your business processes from scratch. Here, all your bottlenecks surface and you actually give time to solving those bottlenecks in the processes. One more really important benefit of undergoing the digitization process is the standardization of processes and job roles across the company. With this, your reliance on a limited set of employees reduces and job rotation becomes very easy. This also helps attract good quality talent from other bigger multinational companies into your company. The implementation of an ERP system creates a robust system for mining data. It actually creates a gold mine of data, but it actually gives you the data. Now it is up to the managers and the leaders on how do they actually want to use this data. This is where LFC practice came into picture for our company, wherein we developed this boutique software or a management control system wherein we have pulled in all the data that was mined by our ERP system into dashboards and control systems, which is helping all our processes connect in real time, and we are able to evaluate the performance of our various business units in a very effective way. Another big benefit of the entire digitization journey, as we have seen, is that the company has gained a lot of trust. We are now trusted a lot more by our customers, by our suppliers, by our peers, and even by the government authorities, because they now truly believe that the data that we are presenting is coming out of a digital solution, and we really don't have a lot of scope to fiddle with the information that we are presenting. Thus, the trustworthiness of the company has also gone up really a lot.